Animal Jam, and link give me your name in the comments so I can be your buddy. And if you're a guest jammer, I'm afraid I can't not. And if you don't want to be a guest jammer and you just want to be a new jammer, just log in the first time you get the app. And I cannot even go to your den even if you're a guest jammer, so I am going to go to other people's dens. And my name is PinkMonkey30. On my username, I have an aura stone crown and some flip-flops. And play now because I want to play with you guys. And if I find some fans, I will totally be your buddy. Yeah, I'm a nice person, so don't reject me because I'm fabulous. Sorry, just putting on some EOS lip balm so my lips don't get dry. I'm gonna go into the warm pool. The warm pool is over here. It's the warmest pool. The warmest pool in the world. Oh, 7 gems. What do you mean? She said, what do you mean? Oh, hello, Cookie Fan. Okay, I'm just going up, then into the slide. Whee! Yeah, so fun. Go to Jamma Township, and I'll do a view on the secret bunny's den and the secret monkey den. Obviously, that's the best one. So I'm just going to go on here. That's Crystal Sands. What am I doing here? Okay, let's just go into the map. I'm just lazy right now. So let's go to Jamma Township. Jamma Township. My lips are so white. So I'm gonna go and get adopted because yeah, I wanna get adopted. So if you are an Arctic wolf or any other animal that's bigger than me because I'm a bunny, you can be my mom or my dad. If you're a boy or a girl, I don't mind if you're a boy. Or you can just be my buddy. Just my buddy. Yeah, come be my buddy. Sure, I can be your buddy. Okay, I just turned my light on, by the way. Omegle. By the way, Omegle is a chat site where it should not be going on. But I just heard it from Jessie V. I love you, Jessie V. Oh, by the way, shout out goes to rubykeeling and her sister Ameliakeeling. Love your comments. Being super nice to me. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I will... You know, if you can comment, you can create your own channel. Did you know that? Did you know that? You definitely didn't know that. Okay. So, I was just playing. Ooh! Someone wants to be my buddy! Totally, I'll be your buddy. I got so many buddies already. Okay. I got so many buddies already. Why is it still snowing? So many buddies. Got so many buddies already. Woo! I love so many buddies. Okay, Catherine is on. Win. I'm so tired. tadpole. Ooh, what's on sale? What's on sale? Sale. What's on sale? I like some of these things, but I don't have enough money. I spent it all on the ice armor for Samantha. Seddon, her channel. I'll link it below. I spent it getting this winged ice armor. This over here. I didn't get her the helmet because I only had 3,551, but it was 3,500, so I just got her that, and she traded me this tiara, which I traded away for the Eurostone crown. Sorry, but I really wanted it. And I traded the wolf lamp with it, and some plushies. Even though I gave her plushies to someone. Okay. Nothing's on sale that's new. No, I don't want it. Why would I want it? I've already got one. I've got so many things that I don't want, so you can go and trade with me. I love trading with people. Okay, let's see who's not a guest jammer. She's not a guest jammer, so I guessed. Oh my god, her trade list is empty. Why isn't anybody trading? Trading is the new thing. No, actually, it's just that people don't want to trade. It's just that people don't want to trade. I need to put some more things on my trade list. Like, seriously. Square glasses. I don't want square glasses, obviously. Yeah. Okay, put some stuff on my trade list. I'm sparkling. Oh, hello! You have an Eurostone crown just like me. Hello. What is your name? Have you got anything on trade? Ooh. Quite a lot of stuff, but I don't want any of it. Ooh. Maybe later. Shout. Oh, he's a guest gamer. I can't with him. Ooh, she's a new jammer. That means I can trade with her, but he has nothing on the trade. Ooh, you have the same crown as me. Hello. Yeah, I'm obsessed with the people who have the same item as me. Yeah, I'm just crazy though. Hello, clever fox. Hello. I love your outfit, especially the Eurostone crown. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really like your style. You have to pay for the fox, the tiger, and the Arctic wolf if you want one of them. If you haven't got this lame game. Please adopt me. I need to be sleeping right now. Why am I dancing? I need to be sleeping. Please adopt me. Please adopt me. Just please adopt me because I really want someone to look after me. You can be my mommy if you can. Adopt me. Say adopt if you want to adopt me because I look cute as a bunny, so I do a wish you know well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a bell, but now you're in my way. I traded so for a wish, never sigh for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your steps holding, ripped jeans keep showing. I never. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. You're so adorable. Yeah, I made my own song. You would like it? You will like it? I really like it. And by the way, that's just my spleen. I have 3 minutes. Ooh, will you be my mommy? Okay. Bye, guys. See?